Hey, it's Heather here. This was sent to me so that I could give you my honest review of it. This is the Kaluki vacuum replacement parts. I have the Tineco iFloor 3 that these will fit. It comes with 3 of the filters, and it also comes with 3 of the rollers, the microfiber rollers, which is convenient because when you're going to replace one, you can go ahead and replace the other. It also comes then with a nice little tool that you can use to clean these parts. It has a brush so that you can clean the filter when it gets debris on it. And also what's nice is this end here has a blade on it. So if you get any hair wrapped around your roller, you can go ahead and remove the hair. So let's go ahead and compare what I have in here. It's really gross. It's dirty and smelly. This is the original roller that I got with my Tineco. And you can see how dirty and how matted down it is. And then we have the new Kaluki part here. Both of the ends seem to be identical, and you can see they match up perfectly. This quality, though, I really like. It has a lot of fluff to it. So it does definitely look like it will have a longer life for this Tineco. So the nice thing about this too is that it is washable. You can go ahead and wash these after each use, let them dry, and it will lengthen the usage of them, as well as the filter can be washed and dried. So let's see, because what's most important is it going to fit my iFloor 3? I'll go ahead and put this in and push it down in here. And yes, it fits perfectly in here. And also, let's go ahead and take a look at the filter. This is dirty. This I shouldn't have put back in the box because it's stinky, and both of these are getting thrown out. And we'll go ahead and we will see if the filter fits. Grab the new one. Slide it in there, and yes, it does. It fits like a glove. Perfect. So now what's important is let's turn the vacuum on and make sure it has the same suction, and we'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, I have all the replacement parts in. I'm going to go ahead and turn the Tineco on. Oh yeah. You can definitely tell it's cleaning. I had a smudge mark there. It just took care of. And it still has the same amount of suction. So yeah, I'm going to say this is golden. I definitely like the quality. I like the fact that everything fits. I highly recommend these Kaluki parts. I hope you find this review helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.